avocados, and digestion. How avocados help in improving your digestive health. Most people have no idea. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of avocados for your digestive system. Avocados are packed with fiber, about 10 grams per avocado. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut. Soluble fiber feeds good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. This improves digestion and boosts your immune system. Avocados also contain healthy fats that support the lining of your gut, reducing inflammation and enhancing nutrient absorption. Key points on avocados and their benefits for gut health. Rich in fiber. Avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with one medium avocado providing about 10 grams of fiber. This promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Prebiotic effects. The fiber in avocados acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can improve the balance of the gut microbiome, enhancing overall gut health. Supports gut lining. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help maintain the integrity of the gut lining, reducing the risk of leaky gut syndrome and inflammation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados contain anti-inflammatory compounds like phytosterols and antioxidants, which can reduce gut inflammation and support a healthy digestive system. Rich in nutrients. They are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as folate, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining gut health and overall well-being. Improves nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and other nutrients, promoting better digestion and nutrient utilization. Low in sugar. Avocados are low in sugar, making them a good choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which can positively impact gut health. Contient polyols. Avocados contain small amounts of polyols, which can have a mild laxative effect, helping to relieve constipation in some individuals. Alleviates symptoms of IBS. For some people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, the fiber and healthy fats in avocados can help alleviate symptoms and promote a more balanced gut environment. Supports weight management. The combination of fiber and healthy fats in avocados helps promote satiety, which can aid in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is beneficial for gut health. How avocados can impact overall well-being. Nutrient-rich, packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins C, E, K, B6, folate, magnesium, and potassium, supporting overall health. Heart health. High in monounsaturated fats, which can lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Promotes satiety due to high fiber and healthy fat content, aiding in weight control. Skin health. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish and hydrate the skin, improving its appearance and elasticity. Eye health. Contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful UV light and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions. Mood improvement. Provides B vitamins and healthy fats that support brain function and may help reduce symptoms of depression. Blood sugar regulation. Low in sugar and high in fiber, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Bone health. Contains vitamin K, which is important for bone health and helps improve calcium absorption. Digestive health. High in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Anti-inflammatory. Contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Surprising ways avocados target gut health issues and improve digestion. Reduces inflammation. Anti-inflammatory compounds like phytosterols and antioxidants help soothe gut inflammation. Prebiotic fiber. Feeds beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing microbiome balance and gut health. Supports gut lining. Monounsaturated fats help maintain the gut lining, reducing the risk of leaky gut syndrome. Eases constipation. High fiber content and polyols provide mild laxative effects, aiding regular bowel movements. Alleviates IBS symptoms. Fiber and healthy fats can help manage irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Improves nutrient absorption. Healthy fats enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and other nutrients. Regulates blood sugar. Low sugar content helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, positively impacting digestion. Conclusion: incorporating avocados into your diet is essential for a healthier gut and overall well-being. Their rich fiber content promotes digestion and regularity, while prebiotic effects enhance the gut microbiome. Healthy fats support the gut lining and nutrient absorption, and their anti-inflammatory properties reduce gut inflammation. Additionally, avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. Regular consumption can ease constipation, alleviate IBS symptoms, and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, making avocados a valuable addition to a balanced diet.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.